This was our effects from Sandy. That house used to sit right there. Sandy took it, picked it up and threw it over there. I think we're missing a couple pieces. Oh well. Alright, next step in the furnace clean out is to clean out this guy. Oh, nice soft ground. Rocking and rolling. I'm definitely scared of heights, so this is no fun for me. Yeah, I haven't been up here in a while. I need to seal up these nails. I get a little bit of leakage. Seals are probably, this barn is probably 30 years old, 20, 30 years old. How about you 30? One more step. And of course, I need a screwdriver. One little wasp nest, but you know what, I can feel that it's not blocked. So we can call that good. Alright. Coming down. Boy. Our little trash pumpkins are growing in the mulch pile. Alright, I'll get back with you in a minute here, guys. I'm going to get inside. Alright, guys. Well, my next task is going to be to install a new thermocouple. I don't got my grubby clothes on, so hopefully I can do this without getting too dirty. Kind of excited. Tonight I get to go out with a couple friends I haven't seen in a while. You know how it is being a parent, well, some of you know how it is being a parent of toddlers. You don't get out much. Gotta get some gloves on. Commercial break. I'll be happy to have this off my plate so I can get back to work on my car and actually be comfortable while I'm doing it. Turn the supply back on outside. I don't smell any gas, so that's a good thing. Hopefully, in a few minutes here, I'll be able to test fire this thing and not blow up. Thermocouples are a relatively plug-and-play affair. You pretty much just get funky on the end there and stop working. I don't know. I had to do one on my water heater last year, so it's like it'll plug in without any adapters. They come with a couple little adapters so that they are pretty much universal. But it doesn't look like I'll need them. I haven't been watching many videos and I haven't been posting. I missed now 2 Follow Fridays in a row. I apologize for that. Work is finally slowing down, so I'll be able to get back to regular life here pretty soon. Show you my little thermocouple installation here real quick. The thermocouple just goes from the gas valve down up next to the pilot light, and it senses when the pilot light is lit. Looks like this might need to go over there. There we go. It gets a little heat signal from the pilot light, so it knows that the pilot light's lit. If the pilot light goes out, it will shut the gas off, so that you don't walk in one day to a big old room full of propane and have it blow up on you. So got this all back together, guys. Let's give it a try. I'll put you guys over here so in case there's a huge explosion, it's documented on video. And fire department will see that it was an accident, so my family gets their insurance monies. I gotta turn the supply back on here. Smells like I sealed it up good. Why did I put that on? I'm a dummy! I need to get out my little pilot primer. Alright, guys. You gotta push the little pilot light button in. That'll prime the propane up into the tubes. Usually takes a couple minutes. Propane isn't real high pressure, so it kind of takes a couple minutes for the when you turn this pilot light thing on, it doesn't flow a lot, so it takes a couple minutes to refill up the pipes and prime itself. Hopefully next weekend I'll be going to get my parts car from Tom. That kind of depends on Darren, believe it or not. I gotta call Andrea and see if make sure Darren's not planning on going to Greg's next weekend, because if he is, then I gotta reschedule, because when Darren goes to visit Greg, Tom's gonna go visit Greg also, and he won't be around for me to go pick up the car. So Darren, if you're watching this video, have Andrea text me and let me know if you guys if you're planning on going down there next weekend, which would be the 7th, I believe. No, I'm 10th. 11th, Sunday the 11th. Make sure you're not going down to going up to Greg's then. Let's see if I get this pilot light lit. Alright, pilot is lit. Now if I let off the primer, the thermocouple should sense that the pilot is lit and keep it lit. Nope. Oh crap. Give it a minute for the pilot light to warm up the thermocouple. So yeah, the plan is get a couple buddies to go along with me and rent a trailer. I can't rent from U-Haul, but I can rent from a local equipment rental place. It'll be a landscaping type trailer, but that won't matter too much because it's, you know, tandem axle. It can handle the weight, and I'll be, you know, throwing the chassis up there onto the bed of the trailer, anyways. And then I'll have to probably bring a couple boards to throw the motor on, and yeah, see how that goes. That might be an interesting day. Alright, this pilot is not staying lit. But it does stay lit if I put a fire to the thermocouple. So maybe my thermocouple is just too far away from the pilot. Alright guys, here we go. Oh, the pilot light went. Well, got interrupted by a phone call. Let's make sure there's no residual propane hanging around. Alright. Let's try this again. I'm not sure what's going on with that thermocouple. I think maybe the pilot light is too far away from it. Oh guys, something still ain't right here. Well, I guess this will turn into a video, another video for advice from Doug. Fire was going real good, but this thing has 4 burner pipes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there was fire inside of this one. And that's not right. It's supposed to be on the outside. So what would make the fire go on the inside of the burner? Oh guys, this thing's just being problem after problem. to try. Wish there was a place I could put the camera. Sorry guys. Let's try that. Jesus, Jenny. That ain't right, guys. Hey, that's a little scary. Alright, Doug, you saw what it did. Help me out here, brother.